Short note: Information technology. The 21st century is known as the age of information technology, IT. IT is the common term for the entire spectrum of technologies required for storing, processing, analyzing, retrieving and sending information. It is application of technology to solve business or organizational problems. It has revolutionized the way people collections connect and work. The term information technology consists of a number of technological advancements and devices such as computer, internet, email, cell phones, wireless media, storage device, wireless media, ATM, etc. So it encompasses all software and hardware used in the creating, storing and access of information. With the invention of computer, internet, the world has seen a revolution in IT. Today, with the single click of a button, we can get access to vast knowledge, learn new skills, shop online, pay bills, search for jobs, and do almost anything online. We can connect to hundreds of people and share information across the world. The application of IT in education has changed the traditional process of teaching and learning. Students can get from different websites. The use of IT has helped in improve patient care, telemedicine, electronic health cards, and improve medical surgeries. Indeed, IT is helping us rapidly advance towards इलेक्ट्रॉनिक के बाद कॉमा आएगा और ये टूवर्ड्स एक वर्ड है, टूवर्ड्स की जानिब, ग्रेटर एफिशिएंसी एंड परफॉर्मेंस सी के बाद ई in every field. Today we live in world of information. IT has definitely made communication cheaper, quicker and superior than ever before. Each one of us uses its application to make life easier and convenient. ये N है.